Hi my friends, it's Ian here. I just want to point out that I've just altered the members area just a little bit. Now, if you're a free member, you will notice across the top that there are no free member tools now. Now, we haven't taken them off you. We've just moved it all onto one page. So if you look here, you can see the Buildabizonline toolbox. So if you left click on there, click on there, then you will see the free tools at the top. Okay, and then the rest of the tools will be underneath. Now you won't be able to access these tools here because these are pro member privileges. So when you click on them, it'll take you to the upgrade page. Okay, my friends, so all you need to do is to click on these up at the top. Now, some of these other links will work, but may not be any use to you whatsoever if you're not upgraded. Okay, but a lot of the pro member tools will be disabled for free members. Now, if I was to log out of here, let me just do that and then log into a pro account because this is a free account. Then watch what happens at the top of this page. So now I have logged into my account just here. If I click on this, and then because I'm upgraded, I click on that link there, and you'll see that I've got access to the autoresponder, and the free tools have been moved because they're all listed down here anyway. Okay, so just a small change because one or two people were getting totally confused. A lot of the pro members were clicking on the free member tools and saying, it won't show my upgrade. And I had to remind them to use the pro member tools. So this way, it's all self-explanatory. Okay, my friends, so thanks for listening. Bye for now. Please do subscribe, like or dislike this video by giving it a thumbs up or thumbs down, and comment. Let me know what you need or what you think to this video. So thanks for listening. Bye for now.